In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add cross-platform friends on For Honor. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Ubisoft has made two phases plans for crossplay development or deployment inside For Honor, and recently, the second phase of the crossplay plan they made has been activated on October 20th, 2022. As you can see, this allows you to group and play with cross-platform friends. In order to enable it, you should first go to your settings, and after you check to see if it's properly enabled, all you have to do to add your friends within your For Honor friends list is to add them through Ubisoft Connect. As of today, an Ubisoft Connect account is mandatory to properly link your friends, and after you add them through Ubisoft Connect, you will be able to find them inside For Honor. So all you have to do is go to Ubisoft Connect and add them through their Ubisoft Connect ID. Afterwards, you will be able to see them in-game. I hope I was able to help you on how to add cross-platform friends on For Honor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.